Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Professor Bert, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the engineering and manufacturing development phase of the defense acquisition process, or what I call the EMD phase. What is the engineering and manufacturing development phase? The engineering and manufacturing development phase is a phase in the defense acquisition process. It is where a system is developed and designed before going into production. The EMD phase starts after a successful milestone, B, which is considered the formal start of any program. The goal of this phase is to complete the development of a system or increment of capability, complete full system integration, develop affordable and executable manufacturing processes, complete system fabrication, and test and evaluate the system before proceeding into the production and deployment phase. What is the purpose of the engineering and manufacturing development phase? The purpose of the EMD phase is to develop a system or increment of capability, design and critical supportability aspects to ensure material availability with particular attention to reducing the logistics footprint, integrate hardware, software, and human systems, design for producibility, ensure affordability and protection of critical program information, demonstrate system integration, interoperability, supportability, safety, and utility. Ensure operational supportability with particular attention to minimizing the logistics footprint. And finally, demonstrate reliability, availability, maintainability, and sustainment features are included in the design of a system. What are the results of the engineering and manufacturing development phase? In the EMD phase, the system architecture and system elements down to the configuration item, hardware and software, level are defined based upon the technology selected and integrated during the material solution analysis and the technology maturation and risk reduction phase. During the EMD phase, the system design requirements are allocated to the major subsystem level and are refined as a result of developmental and operational tests. The support concept and strategy are also refined with detailed design to requirements determined for the product support package elements. The EMD phase consists of two major efforts: 1. Integrated system design and system capability, and 2. Manufacturing process demonstration. These two major efforts integrated the end item components and subsystems into a fully operational and supportable system. They also complete the detailed design to meet performance requirements with a producible and sustainable design and reduce system-level risk. The EMD phase typically includes the demonstration of production prototype articles or engineering development models. The major reviews conducted during the engineering and manufacturing development phase are the Integrated Baseline Review, Critical Design Review, Test Readiness Review, Flight Readiness Review, System Verification Review, Functional Configuration Audit, Production Readiness Review, and finally, the Technology Readiness Assessment. What are the completion criteria for the engineering and manufacturing development phase? The completion of the EMD phase is determined when the system design is stable and meets all its requirements, programmatic objectives, and the defined exit criteria has been achieved. The following are criteria to determine if a program can continue into the production and deployment phase. Validated capability requirements, demonstrated manufacturing processes, functional software sustainment processes, available industrial production capabilities, program security. And finally, the program has met all exit criteria and milestone C entrance criteria defined by the Milestone Decision Authority. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the engineering and manufacturing development phase. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations for finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.